A liability waiver is a legal document that a person who participates in an activity may sign to acknowledge the risks involved in his or her participation. By doing so, the company attempts to remove legal liability from the business or person responsible for the activity. The enforceability of such waiver depends on state law, a jury, and language of the waiver. Liability waivers include pre-accident release and model release. Reckless or intentional actions can never be disclaimed, and liability resulting from faulty product cannot be waived. There are two functions for a waiver and release liability form. The first, to protect an organization and its members from frivolous lawsuits. The second, to make participants aware of the risks of injury in skateboarding and or rollerblading. Open a blank Word document and save it as W-9 Waiver and Release Liability Form. Next, insert an image of the Skateboard Inc. logo at the top center of the page. Next, position your cursor directly below the Skateboard Inc. logo. From here, right-click, select Paragraph, change the after spacing to 0 and the line spacing to single, and click OK. From here, we will change the font style to Times New Roman and keep the size at 11. And type in the following information. Next, click Enter twice and key the following information. From here, we will highlight the information we just typed. We will change the font size to 14. We will bold the text, and we will make the text in all caps. Move your cursor behind the last parentheses if it's not there already, and hit Enter twice. From here, change the text to size 12 point. Unbold the text, and align the text left. From here, type in the following information. Next, insert a dashed line that is the width of the margins. You can use the hyphen tool to do this. Next, we will change the margins on our page. To do this, go up to the Page Layout tab. From there, click the Margins drop-down menu and change the margins to narrow. From here, type the following. Highlight the text. Change the text to Times New Roman size 11. Center align the text, and bold the text. From here, go to the Insert tab and create a 2x8 table. Key the following information. Next, click on the 4-arrow icon in the top left-hand corner of the table. From here, go up to the Table Tools tab, click Layout, and change the height to 0.3. With the table still highlighted, go back to the Home tab, change the font size to 10, and bold the font. Next, unselect the table. From here, go to the 5th row and highlight both columns. Next, we will go up to the Layout tab, and we will go to the Merge section and click Merge Cells. Make sure the text is left aligned. We will do the same thing for cells 6 and 8. For row 8, we will highlight the text and center align the information. Format the table to show a border. Proofread your work, check for accuracy and formatting. Once you have done this, save your file.